Yes, for this model is ALH32I. Yes, for only for the machine only do the lathe, do not have the tilt back. And you can, for this one is using the H.xk. You can also have a Siemens 808D system. Normally don't use the other more higher value CNC control system because that will waste your money. Yes. Yeah, this here you can see 3 total machines now is under assembling. Yeah, I show you the inside. Yeah, this is a H.xk control system. Yes, this one. Yes, with the this is the bed itself, a front bed, and it's using the linear guider. The bed. Outside looking, back looking, lubrication is put in here. Yes, all the pump is over here. Yes, control system.
9单元那个149单元的。
好。
这个是4万块钱，这个不是4万4千万，更原价。
Yes. Yeah, this is another machine. The hydraulic will be here. Yeah, ALH32I.